Welcome to the installation of a video wall using LSMV Fusion pull-out wall mounts. Begin the video wall installation by marking out your stud locations. Use the appropriate stud finder for wood or steel studs. Measure the height of the display and lay out the display matrix by marking the center line for the upper row of displays at an appropriate height on the wall. Use a level to draw a center line between your stud bays. Then, measure 7.5 inches up from the center line to locate your mounting points. Drill out the top two mounting locations for the LSMV. Use the provided hardware to attach the mount to the studs. Next, drill out the bottom two mounting points and once again lag to the studs. Plastic cover pieces are shipped with the mount and simply snap over the mounting points for a clean appearance. Use a display width to determine the placement of the adjacent LSMV in the upper row of mounts. The lower row of mounts are easily located with the chief LSMV. Simply measure the height of the display and use this distance to find the mounting points. First, take the display height and use it for the measurement from the centerline notch on the upper row of mounts to the centerline of the lower row of mounts. Then, level across to the adjoining stud and measure up the 7.5 inches to mark the mounting points. At this point, all the mounts are hung. Adjust the lower row of mounts down and the upper row of mounts up using the post-installation height adjustment. There is a triangle in the center of the upright that should be centered on the adjustment for correct spacing on the video wall. Use the provided hardware to attach each upright. Also, use the extension on the uprights to more easily access screw heads. With assistance, hang the display onto the mounting system. Pull on the straps to release the click connect and lock the display to the mount. The straps may also be adjusted to fit your display size. After you have hung all of the screens in a row, use the LSMV lateral shift and simply slide them together. If the displays don't seem flush with each other, use the plumb adjustment to make the screen faces have a seamless appearance. The LSMV ships with a wrench to make this adjustment located on the back of each upright. Before hanging the lower row of displays, extend the display uprights to clear the upper row of displays. Once hung, release the click connect and then retract the display back to the wall. Slide the displays together and move on to the micro adjustments for a perfect video wall. As mentioned before, use the bolts on the back of the display uprights to make each of the display faces flush with one another. Also, use the height adjust feature to close any gapping between displays. Adjust the bottom row of displays up and the top row of displays down for a seamless appearance. Each LSMV mount comes with locking flags that slide into position at the top of each upright and prevent the display from being removed. You may pull out each display individually to connect cables or access media devices behind the video wall. After sliding the display back into position, use the additional locking flag with the mount to prevent the display from being extended. This completes a video wall solution using the Chief LSMV mounts.